You're fine.
You were fine.
You were fine. Suki killed me.
Yeah!
So now you have not the north
Said
of
move
them?
over. I was like, oh, it's gonna be too late. I'm gonna kill 2 people.
Alright, 2 move over.
It will be on the next person. That's it.
Sapphire.
This will be a 2 come over, and it's going to be a stack. One move over now. Two, one move over, one move over. Two can go, yep, you got it. 2 moves. One move over, and it's going to be a spread. Priority for melee. Wait for the spread. Alright, Raven, move over. Good job.
We're game. Got him.
Two AoEs back to back. Follow hash, you're not sure. If he is looking right, we're going to move forward. If he is looking right towards that. Stay. It's going to be an AoE if you can mitigate it. That's lesser shortly after. Follow hash.
My
Gonna be get away from the boss. Get away from the boss. Don't be in the middle. Don't be in the middle.
How?
Be in the corner.
What? What the fuck?
Her scorch. Be in the middle.
That was payback for the smooch. I got link.
It's gonna be an AoE.
it takes a minute.
Yeah,
Watch
I'm
the
like,
hand.
okay, I can only cast so many multi-cast skills for this time.
Watch the hand. It's gonna be on the other side.
Knockback, you said?
No, no. Behind the boss. Move over and watch the hands. Move over and watch the hands.
God damn
It's
it.
fine. I'll watch Terra. Give me an AoE.
And then Tank Buster.
I have all the cooldowns on me. Alright, follow me. Number 1. It's gonna be hug the boss. And then knockback immune now. And the other opposite side over here. That's it. Let's give you an AoE.
The star kind of behind him.
Oh, I'll sit there then.
You know, it's gonna be
He's gonna jump up in a bit. Do not be next to the tanks and orient yourself. See where he's facing so you know where north is. We're on the blue platform, so blue numbers stay, red numbers move.
So glad I'm not colorblind.
red, blue would be the first.
Red move. Remember, 3 and 4 south, 1 and 2 north. 1 and 2 is north.
You'll be trading out with 8 south.
What happened?
Red is dead.
Okay, this is fine.
I got flipped. by
Fix
someone else's.
group 1 go to blue, group 1 go to blue, group 2 go to red. Group 2 go to red. I'm gonna need Benny after this. Oh, fine.
You got the Benny.
I tried to just give him enough healing for his life. I think that's how that works.
You heal me, beautiful. Alright, remember, wait for the claw if you have to move. Wait for the hands if you have to move. It's gonna be a spread, so when you move over, we're gonna spread. Spread. Watch the hands as well when you spread. Group 1 move over. Group 1 move over. Get away from the tanks. Remember to drop your AoE, the spot that we talked about. Remember where to drop your AoEs, okay? And use sprint now. Move now. Avoid the hands first, and then grab your tower.
I'll go a little far north. Raven, you grab that one right there.
Go get out of the way. Whoa!
I'm gonna take a lot of damage. I have 2 bomb stacks, by the way. It's just repeating now. So next one's gonna be the hand with the tidbits with the stack. Alright, let's see. Remember to, if you have to move over, wait for the hands. You have to move over. There's gonna be a stack when you get here, but avoid the hands when you get here as well. Basically stack on 1, where I'm at. One move over. One move over. There you go. Oh, my bomb sack's gone. Just kill it. Before the limit cut, just kill it. There you go.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you, Hash.
Shuki, those reses were so perfect right before you left
Right,
the platform every
as
time. Like,
if we were
so
swapping.
fucking perfect, like right before you swapped it.
Ninja.
That was
Just
fun.
Oh.
If I could like have those for my ninja.
You
I'm
compete with
leaving,
the
so-
other ninjas. I don't have one, so it's all you for mine.